Best Newcomer Award for a standout testimonial-backed brand launched within the last year. Emma Pike, owner of Farmers Market. Launched last year, eButcher Farmers Market lets customers know exactly where their meat is coming from and offers affordable home delivery 6 days a week. Australian expat Emma takes much pride in her service to customers. The judges said, and now, enjoy this video with our winner.
My name is Emma Pike and I'm the owner of Farmers Market. I'm Australian and I moved to Singapore 3 years ago from Hong Kong. I started Farmers Market 4 years ago in Hong Kong. We had low quality meat but it was very expensive, so I wanted to change that. So I started bringing restaurant quality meat and offering it to Hong Kong at an affordable price. As things happened, my husband got transferred to Singapore and we relocated to Singapore. So I wanted to bring the same quality, restaurant quality meat and seafood, but at more of an affordable price. At Farmers Market, we try and give people more education. We're not in for the hard sell. We want to educate them on making their decision on where to buy their meat better. So then most of the time they'll go to their local butcher, they'll ask those questions, and most of the time they'll come back to us because they know that on price, our quality and our answers that we can give them on the type of meat they're buying is superior to anyone else. Farmers Market at the moment is Hong Kong's #1 online butcher, which we're ecstatic about, and we hope to be Singapore's #1 online butcher in the near future. But really, in the not too distant future, we'd love to be Asia's #1 online butcher. So we hope to expand possibly into Thailand, Dubai, and other countries around Asia. Fantastic! It's good to be the new kid on the block and win an award. Obviously, I'm not new to being an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur since I was 15, so that's kind of how I roll. But it's great being in Singapore, my first business in Singapore, and winning this award. It's fantastic.